your SLC to your exchange. So you come here. So from here, if you are here to complete your KYC, you can come around there. You're going to see the option to claim here, and make sure you complete your KYC. If you have done with your KYC, you can come here. So when you click here, so you are going to see your location. Then you click on what? Send. So if you click on send, the only option available for claiming is KuCoin. So what you need to do is to go to your KuCoin and click and copy your SLC wallet address. So, and for those of you who don't have a KuCoin account, you can simply register for KuCoin and get yourself verified within few minutes. So, so you come here, you click on add fund. These are KuCoin. You click on add fund. So here we are going to select deposit crypto. Then you search for SLC. SLC. So this is the network. You're going to select that. So then another thing you need to actually do is to copy your address. So you're going to copy your address. So please make sure you are actually doing the right thing. You can see the network is here. Can you see? So I'm going to go back now. Then I'm going to paste the address there. Then you click on continue. You can see continue here. Please ensure your transfer token only to support on. Okay, it's okay. I confirmed. So you enter the amount. They said 50% will be available, then 50% will be vested. So I'm going to select the maximum. You get the point. So then I click on what? Continue. So you verify, then you. So the network fee is total of 1, so which is still cool. Then you slide. You got the point. So there's option that says please activate two-factor authenticator. Okay, so let me set it up. So let me use email. Continue. So you make sure you set up your two-factor authentication, which I've already done now. I use my email. Then when you come here, you just slide again. So it says verification sent to my email. So I'm going to copy it again.